In this video we will make a clothing bank icon. We paste a bitmap that we will use as a guide. You can see the shoot that we made in an earlier video. Select the Bezier tool and click at the start point, then the next corner. Repeat until you have the basic shape. Move the bitmap away from your drawing. Use node align to make the nodes align, and make a vertical line. Click the break curve in the menu bar. We now have two nodes. Select each one and move them into position. Now go into wireframe mode for accuracy. Use the node tool to select a line where you want to break it. In wireframe mode, we can see clearly where our lines and nodes are positioned. Go into Enhanced View and delete the bitmap. Group the objects and press P to center on the page. Resize to fit the icon size. The shoot needs moving down. Pressing down arrow with shift pressed gives a super nudge. To delete top of handle, use node tool to break the node, then delete the required line.